go round the mulberry bush early in the morning. This is the way we jump out of bed, jump out of bed, jump out of bed. This is the way we jump out of bed early in the morning. This is the way we wash ourselves, wash ourselves, wash ourselves. This is the way we wash ourselves early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes early in the morning. This is the way we eat our food, eat our food, eat our food. This is the way we eat our food early in the morning. This is the way we clean our bowls, clean our bowls, clean our bowls. This is the way we clean our bowls early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school early in the